myself Dr. Amanpreet Kaur. Welcome to my channel. Today we discuss about acne and what is cause and how to get rid of from acne. So acne usually occurs on the face. Even though acne is not very harmful, it leaves bad scar on the face. The pores on the skin, human skin contains oil glands. These glands are connected to the pores with the help of sac-like material known as follicles. The follicles are known to release liquid. The oil glands also produce oily liquid known as sebum, and the sebum carries the dead cells into the skin surfaces. So, what is the cause of acne on the face? With the rise in the androgen level, the acne develops on the skin of the face. Androgen is the hormone whose levels rise up when a child hits his or her adolescence and changes to estrogen. The estrogen leads to rise of more oil glands under the surface layer of skin. These oil glands create more sebum, which sometimes clots under the skin and give rise to the growth of bacteria and which causes acne on face and elsewhere. The commonly guessed causes for acne on the face are sudden hormonal changes, menstruation, greasy and oily cosmetic applied on the oily skin, increased stress factor. So, acne develops in the area of the body where there are more amounts of sebaceous glands, like on the face, neck, back, shoulder, and chest. If you have pores that are clogged, your face has turned oily since you hit puberty. This, if the oil production is more, acne can likely develop. The pore gets blocked due to buildup of an oily layer under the skin, while a regular pimple dries off eventually after the plug breaks. Acne does not dry off, rather keeps growing and covers more area on the skin than a pimple. Even if the acne dries off with medication, the scars remain on your skin. The dead cells and excess sebum rest on the hair follicles and allows the bacteria acne to thrive. The plug formed may plug and give rise to whitehead, and plug out on the surface give rise to blackheads, which turns brown when exposed to the environment. The pimples are the red spots that grows in the middle of the infected area, which gets further swollen up. What can worsen the acne? Oral contraceptives and things related to pregnancy, which results in hormonal imbalance like less of androgen running throughout the body, may worsen the acne situation. Any kind of corticosteroid and androgen and lithium consumption may worsen the acne growing on your face. Consuming too much carbohydrate, fatty foods rich in oil, greasy like chips may result in increase of face acne. Lifestyle. Moderation and regularity are good things, but not everyone can sleep 8 hours, eat 3 healthy meals per day, and drink plenty of fruit water a day. Probably the most useful lifestyle changes one can make is to never to pick or squeeze pimples. Playing with popping pimples, no matter how careful cleaning one is, nearly always makes bumps stay redder and bumper longer. People often refer to redness as curing, but fortunately it usually isn't permanent. It's just a mark that takes months to fade if it left entirely alone. One cannot stop oil glands from producing oil, even isoteritionin, for a while. They resume normal activity later. Later, it is possible to get rid of oil on the surface of the skin and reduce appearance of shine. Use a gentle toner to wipe away of oil. There are many brands available in pharmacies as well as from manufacturer or cosmetics lines. Products containing glycolic acid or one of the other alpha hydroxy acids are also helpful in clearing the skin by causing the superficial layer of the skin to peel. Masks containing sulfur and other ingredients draw out facial oil. Remedies for acne cosmetics. So don't be afraid to hide blemishes with fresh tint, cover-ups or even foundation as long as it is water-based. There are many quality products available. Number 1, facials. While not absolutely essential, steaming and deep cleansing pores are useful both alone or in addition to medical treatment, especially for people with whiteheads or blackheads. Having these pores unclogged by professional also reduce the temptation to do it oneself. Pore strips. Pharmacists now carry under a variety of brand names strips which one applies to the nose, forehead, chin, etc. to pull out oil from pores. These are in effect do-it-yourself facial. They are inexpensive, safe and work reasonably well it is used properly. Toothpaste. One popular home remedy is to put toothpaste on chits. There is no medical basis for this. The same applies to vinegar. Thanks for watching my video. If you get useful this video, hit the subscribe button. Thank you.